Sorry about that. I had to take a phone call and it was important, so I had to start the recording all over again. So you're gonna see part 1 and then part 2, which is part 1 is gonna be a very short one. This is part 2. Don't mind this. Something got on the top of this, of course. Here's the different candy monomer. The fast drying, the slow drying. I got these ones. Then we got the travel size here. Good for traveling. Then you gotta have your prep and primer. Must have. There it is. Is that number 008? Beautiful color. Liner gels. I got the whole set. I got the previous packaging and now. And here we got 2 of the, I think 3 of the same. Yeah, I think they're all the same. Yeah. Polka gel pink. The famous pink. And we're moving on to some of the beautiful bun gels. You can see that number 062. Beautiful color. It's like a blues and different colors in there. You can see the facets of all those colors. Silver. It's very pretty. I do have swatches. I'll show you in a second. So the swatches are on off black, so I wanted to show you the color off clear because it makes a big difference when they're on a different colored background, when it's white, clear, or black background. It's a pretty color too. Then we have this one. I didn't show you the number at the bottom, sorry, but it's from the Fun Gel collection. That's focus 061. This one, unfortunately, when I got the packaging, shipping kind of binged up the boxes, and the pump hand sanitizer, which I started using, got bumped into and kind of made a mess all over the place. I'm not sure what that is, but okay. But that's why that's like that. And this one is the Fun Gel collection as well. And focus. I can't tell. Hold on. This one's not focusing very well. It looks like 2 or 4. And this is a beautiful multi-glittered with a beautiful teal blue. And this is out of the Fun Gel collection too. It just, unfortunately, the shipping, when it's shipped, and it's not anybody's, it's UPS's fault. So the pump of hand sanitizer leaked onto that, but that's the only thing that it got to. It's in the bottom of the box, so got lucky. There's Fun Gel again, and this is in a pink confetti, and this is focus 017. And here's the swatches for those. See how beautiful the teal goes last, actually. It's the second to the last. Here's the first one. It's really beautiful. You can tell, so pretty. And here's this one. So pretty. Really good copper color. That's actually like below that one. I got it backwards. And there's this beautiful one right here. If you notice, this has a lot of gold flecks in it. It's hard to tell from here. for sure. This one has a blue. This is a blue tinge to it. Blue silver tinge with all the multicolors. This one's more a goldish or copper gold tinge with all those facets of color. Just so you have the idea. And this is off of black, so it looks a little different than off of clear. Then you got this beautiful teal color, and it doesn't do it justice on here. Yeah, now it does more justice. Let's see here. Change these settings here. Get to it. The right setting here for what it is. That's more what the color is. So yeah, that's a lot better. Just makes my skin look pale as crap. But anyway, here's the multi glitter. It's got a piece of hair or something. And this is the confetti. But that color is beautiful. And it still doesn't do it justice. And that's something on my finger. And on the bottom of the swatch. Got it off anyway. Keep these in order. And Bree showed this goldish one for you. And the one that had the bluish tint to it. You can see it better now with the lighting. And same thing, like you can see the gold copper color better in this lighting. Okay. And of course, Mexico. My husband broke the straw, so that's what I'm gonna have to get one. Husband collection. And here is Grand Champion White, and it is a good size heavy gel. Very good stuff. Just this little bit. Give me a second. There we go. You have this beautiful pearls and other facets of reflective, and you got some nice stones in there, and also you got some gold embellishments, and along with chain. It's very pretty. And I'm trying to make out, hold on. Yep, two little stones there that have a reflective, like the seashell effect on them. Pretty pretty. And this is like gold, copper gold. Yeah, it's copper gold, or either copper gold or a goldish. Yeah, this is copper, like a copper gold. I don't know what got on my file. Something got on my file. And my husband must have. Okay. These are both 240 grit vials on both sides. So it would be 240 on this side, 240 on this side. And it's the higher grit, the more lighter the grit. This is very, very soft grit, so more like a buffer. And I got the 100 nail file. You got another box of these. Always good to have. 2 sets of these, and probably throwing some of these doubles. One of these doubles in a giveaway. You got the plastic case where you can hold brushes or just about anything in your files. I just hold files in the metal tin, and then hold your brushes in the plastic tin. Works great. separator in it, and you can take it out if you want to, but I would keep the bigger files on the bottom and the smaller ones on the top. And there's a beautiful pin. You got your pusher sticks in here. And another 240 grit file. Like I said, these in here. And it's good to have these in here. The separator case is in there, and you can use that. And we got the sticker books. Beautiful sticker books. Use them. Probably put one. And depending on how many stickers I have that I need to put up, depending on what this is doing a giveaway. And here is the display case. I take this out. On the back of it, it has all the areas where you can put with putty your nail displays, colors, or your sets that you want to show the client to pick out. On the opposite side of this is just the welcome in part. On the other side, you can put all your sets that you want to display, and you just table, tap on the display here, like that, like so. Then we're moving on to swatches. I'm going to show these swatches right now so I can get to these gels to show you the swatches now, so you don't have to wait. And here's the first color. Got the black, silver, and all that, and white. There's a goldish, and this is on the clear background. And like I said, all these will look different on a white background and a dark black background. Keep that in mind. So these will have a different effect on white and black, and you see what it looks like on clear. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. The pink. Then you got the pinkish gold. Love that one. Then you have a shimmery. It doesn't do justice on here, but it's like a pearlescent white and a sheer. You can build it up. It's good for ombreing. Then you got this one. Focus. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Look at all that beautifulness in there. And you got the blue, the purple, the green. Then you go into the pinks. Make sure I don't separate these. Then you got this pink right here. Very pretty. Then that bright pink there. You got that copperish, pinkish gold right there. It's very pretty, and you can build that one up. And like I said, looks different on clear, white, and black background. Same thing goes with the cat eyes. Looks different on black, clear, and white. And here's the other cat eye, and the other cat eye. They'll be together. And this one was the back of the pink one, I believe. So that one is a beautiful color. Has a lot of silver sheen to it, but it has like a pretty light tone. Because it dispersed, it's hard to see it here, but it doesn't do it justice on the camera here. There we go. If you can see how it dispersed, it's very pretty. Very good for any time of the year. And I'll show you the rest of them in a second. Put this aside here. Now we're going to get to the actual bottles with the colors here. I just showed you. And this is out of the Princess collection. Here's that one. Here's that other one I showed. And these are more thickly applied on some of these. So this is just fun gel where you would put it on there. This one you would use to do an ombre. these ones right here. And the first one was the first one I showed you from the Shiny Gel collection. It was the first nail I showed you. It had all those beautiful silvers and different reflectives in it. It had the silver, the black, and all that. That beautiful pink, and it has a tad bit of shimmer to it, but it's very subtle and very pretty. It's that pink with that goldish copper. There's that pearlescent shimmery white, and the gold with silver and different reflectives in it, white, black, and silver. Then you got the purple I showed you, and the blue, and the green. The green is good summer colors. It's good summer, spring colors, for sure. And these gels can also be used for any designs that you want to make as well, not just for regular application and main color. These are beautiful. Look how beautiful this color is. The light is not doing justice. I might have to adjust this again. Let's see. There we go. Now it looks a little bit better. You can see that. Very beautiful. That goes to the one. And this goes to the other one. And this is the regular gel polish line. Very beautiful. Then we're moving on to the next row, where you saw that those pinks. That's like a purplish pink. Then you got that beautiful pink there, all on the polish line. Then that copperish pink with that shimmer, reflective shimmer pink in it. It's really pretty sheen. And this is that beautiful silver that disperses so pretty. And we got the cat eyes. This is the first 3 that you saw, and the last one is on another swatch that I'll show you soon. Figured I'd show you them besides the swatches I showed you a minute ago. Beautiful colors, even by themselves, but definitely with the cat eye effect. This green is amazing. Emerald green. That's an emerald green. Then we got top coats. Why is she calling me? Oh my gosh. I'm going to have to do a part 3. Sorry. Be right back.